So to understand end behavior, we have odd versus even degree. So let's put the word degree real quick. This is odd versus even degrees is going to be on the top, and on the side is positive or negative lead coefficient. Okay? Show. And what that means is when we look at a function and we look at its degree, it's either even or odd. And then we look at the lead coefficient, it's either positive or negative. And each of those work together to describe the end behavior or how it behaves on the edges. So for a positive lead coefficient and an even degree, well, let's first look at positive versus negative lead coefficients. If there is a positive lead coefficient, what you should know is on the right side of the graph, it should be going up. But if it's a negative lead coefficient, it'll be going down. If it's a positive on the right side of the graph, as the graph goes to infinity. So for both of these, on the right side, that's what it looks like. So if it's positive, as it goes to the right, as it goes to positive infinity, both of these are going to be going up. But if it's negative, they're going to be going down. Now, on the left side, which is as it goes to negative infinity, it's something else to think about. If it's even, well, let's think of what's the most common even degree. Isn't that a squared, a parabola? And on an x squared parabola, don't the edges go like this? Both go up? So for a parabola, or an x squared, or even power, won't the edges both go up? Or won't they both go down on an x squared, or any even power? So for any even power, if the a value, the value in front, is positive, both edges go up. But on a negative even power, both edges go down. Now, for an odd degree, like a third power, a fifth power, a seventh power, what happens is the opposite side is going to be going the opposite direction. So this one's going to be going down, and this one is going to be going up. And here's what I mean by that. If it's an even degree, an even lead coefficient and an odd degree, it's going to be going right. On the right side, it's going to go up. On the left side, it's going to go down. On a negative lead coefficient, odd, it's going to go up on the left, down on the right. Basically, let's look at this one more time. If the degree is odd, do you see how they go opposite directions? If it's even, do you see how they go to the same direction? If they're positive, do you see how the right side's going up? If they're negative, do you see how the right side is going down? That's the key. The positive and negative talk about the right side, the greens here. The odd or even talk about how the other side goes. Is it either the opposite direction or the same direction?